Okay, I made a video about me touching my hair, but then it went away, so now I was just really happy. Since I did that, I'm gonna watch the camera. Three, two, one.